Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for this video, pag-uusapan natin ngayon ang word problem or ilan sa mga word problems involving fractions. Okay? So for number 1, it took Jose 2/3 of an hour to complete his math homework on Monday. So sa isang oras, meron tayong 60 minutes. Okay? Times, ilang minuto daw yon? 2/3. And then, 3/4 of an hour on Tuesday. So, 3/4 on Tuesday. And then, Wednesday, ilan? 2/5 of an hour on Wednesday. Okay, so 2/5. Okay, so ang tanong, ilang oras lahat yung kanyang nakonsumo sa kanyang pag-aaral? Okay. Okay, so kapag ganito, pwede na tayo nung mag-cancellation. Okay, so 3 divided by 3 is 1. 60 divided by 3 is 20. So 20 times 2 is 40. Okay, minutes ang unit natin dyan. And then 4 divided by 4 is 1. 60 divided by 4 is 15. So 15 times 3 is 45 minutes. And last one, okay, meron tayong 12. So meron tayong 12 times 2, 24 minutes. Okay, so mag-add tayo. So 0 plus 5 plus 4 is 9. 4 plus 4 plus 2, meron tayong 10. 109 minutes. Okay. So since mahigit 60 minutes siya, so kailangan natin mag-minus ng 60 para malaman natin kung ilang oras. Okay? So 60 minutes, 1 hour yan ha. So 9 minus 0 is 9. Then 10 minus 6 is 4. So 49 minutes. And since nag-minus na tayo ng 60 minutes or 1 hour kanina, so ang sagot natin sa word problem number 1, meron tayong 1 hour and 49 minutes yung kanyang nakonsumo sa kanyang pag-aaral ng mathematics. Okay, so let's proceed to number 2. Okay, so for number 2, Micah has 3 and 7 16ths. So, meron daw siyang 3 and 7/16 centimeters of wire. She needs only 2 and 5/8 centimeters of wire for her project in TLE. So, how much wire does she need to cut? Okay. So, confusing, no? Itong tanong niya kasi actually pwede nang maging sagot to ng mga estudyante. Itong 2 and 5/8. Kasi yun ang gagamitin niya eh. So, pwede niya i-cut yun. Okay? So, maaaring ang tanong dito, ang tamang tanong ay ilan yung natira. So, magsusubtract tayo. So, 2 and 5/8. So, hindi siya kagaya ng addition na pwede tayo mag 3 minus 2 or 3 plus 2. Okay, so pagka mixed fraction or mixed numbers and subtraction, multiplication, and division, kailangan nyo muna i-convert sa improper fraction. So, 16 times 3, meron tayong, ilan yan? 16 times 3, meron tayong 48. Then, plus 7 is 55. 55 over 16 Okay, minus. Okay. 8 times 2 is 16 plus 5, 21 over 8. Alright, so since it is division, subtraction, and hindi tayo pwedeng mag-subtract ng magkaiba ang denominator, so magmumultiply tayo ng 2 over 2 para maging 16 yung denominator ng 21 over 8. Ayan, dito na tayo magsulat. So 55, 16 minus 42 over 16. Ayan, pwede na. So, ang sagot natin dyan, 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, so, meron siyang natirang 13/16 centimeters of wire. Okay? Next, last one. Okay, number 3. At Guevara Clan reunion, 4.5 kilograms of spaghetti was left. So if there are 6 families, how much each family can take home equally? So, Pinoy culture. So, kailangan magbalot. Okay, para hindi mapanis ang spaghetti. Okay, so 4.5 kilograms. So, i-divide daw natin yan sa 6 families. So, again, kagaya na sinabi ko kanina, kapag division of fraction and mixed numbers, so, kailangan nyo munang mag-improper fraction. So, 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9 over 2, divided by 6. Okay? And then, ang rule of division, kailangan get the reciprocal of the divisor. Reciprocal. Okay? So, ibig sabihin yan, babaliktarin lang natin. Gagawin lang natin 1 over 6. And use multiplication. So, pwede rin tayo mag-cancellation. Divided by 3 is 2. And then, divided by 3 is 3. So, meron tayong 3/4 kilograms of spaghetti para sa bawat pamilya. Okay, so I hope nakatulong po ako sa inyong mga mag-aaral dyan sa Pilipinas. Thank you so much. Ako po si Konkru TV. God bless you all.